Hello, welcome back. Did you get a chance to watch the Bahrain Formula One race this weekend? Let's get you caught up. This is one fan's opinion. Bahrain 2025. Whew! I wouldn't say it was an exciting race, but when you put everything together, it was a good race. Not exciting, it was a good race. So Oscar Piastri started on pole, and Charles Leclerc for Ferrari was in second. What was interesting was Lando Norris, so they've got a little white border around the nose of the car, and Lando Norris jumped the start. But it's okay, because Max Verstappen was right there to call it in. Check him out, he jumped! I'm sure the FIA does not need anyone to tell them, someone jumped. The cameras showed it. Lando Norris got a 5-second penalty for jumping the start. So that was taken care of. Charles Leclerc had braking issues. The car just, if you had watched the race, you would have seen him go deep into those corners before he was able to turn. And it had to do with his braking. George Russell had a bit of braking issue as well. But on top of that, he had electrical gremlins. At one point, the team had called in and said, the screen on the steering wheel is going to go. George Russell's response was, as long as the wheels stay on. Paraphrasing, of course. So what had happened is George Russell at one point had hit the radio button and the DRS flap opened up, which allowed him to gain an advantage. But just like airplanes, Formula One cars have like a little black box in their cars. And when the FIA, after the race, naturally, when the FIA dove in to find out, what happened was George Russell hit the radio button, the DRS wing flipped open, and he came off of the throttle right away, and it hit the button, so it closed everything back up. So they decided that it wasn't an advantage, so he got to keep the position that he finished in. The safety car came out at lap 32. Yuki Tsunoda had lost the rear end and in trying to correct, smacked Carlos Sainz. And, Carlos, that was the end of his race. So there was a big hole in the side of his car. Aerodynamics was out the window at that point, so they just retired the car, which was a bit sad to see, but it's racing. When all was said and done, Oscar Piastri finished first, which was his fourth win in Formula One. Give the man his flowers. Way to go. Way to go. Russell came in second. If he was found, cheating, I'm sure he would have fallen a couple of places. But they ruled it as car error, electrical error. And he didn't gain an advantage in any case. So, Lando Norris, the last half of the last lap, he was finally able to overtake Charles Leclerc. Wow, that was crazy. Leclerc hung on as long as he could, fighting him off, but he got to a point where straight line speed was just more than he could deal with. Lando Norris came in third, Charles Leclerc came in fourth, Hamilton came in fifth, Verstappen, again, last half of the lap, Verstappen pulled it off, overtook Pierre Gasly, and ended up in sixth position. Antonelli, rough race. He finished in 12th. The next race is Saudi Arabia. So one thing I noticed was I was getting caught up in everyone's, Lewis Hamilton has to do well, Ferrari has to do well. But if you looked back, my prediction at the beginning of this year was that I didn't expect anything from Ferrari until next year. From Hamilton, I didn't expect anything from Ferrari until after the summer break. So in my opinion, these guys are doing well. Phenomenally well. But that's my opinion. So my prediction for Saudi Arabia. Well, at this point, I don't think there's any stopping McLaren. Unless something catastrophic happens. I'm still thinking that McLaren, Red Bull, Mercedes. Yeah, I think that's it. But wouldn't it be interesting if it came down to the two McLarens? I mean, Oscar is pushing out those wins. Norris is definitely one to run with. Ferrari, I still think, fourth, fifth, fifth, sixth. I see them still sticking together. That's one fan's opinion. Short, sweet, to the point. Let's see what happens in Arabia. Who do you have? Down below. Let me know. What are you guys thinking? Anyhow, this has been one fan's opinion. There you go. The results.